It is Wednesday, March 8th. It's a bit later in the day, but when I recorded this first section earlier, there were a bunch of technical difficulties. So I'm recording this after the fact. Give guys opportunity to perform in class. Got a number of instruments in class. Then pulled up the spring break files, which about to switch over and point out those to you guys. And then we spent the rest of class about 40 minutes or so going over practice exam 2 solutions. So let me switch my screen over here. All right, let's look at spring break files. Okay, so I'm not assigning anything over spring break, but if you wanted some extra resources, extra study materials, then I posted under spring break resources 10 different files here, 10 different files. Let's take a look at this. So there's some files that I gave you guys the very first day of school, review pages. We got AP Physics equations. We got Elijah's review page. There's also a review video that I put together for my students at the beginning of the pandemic, which was 3 years ago now. Now this one's a little bit outdated. I've become every year that I teach, I'm a better teacher than the previous year. I always get a little bit better. So better now than I was about 3 years ago. I'll make some updates to this, but actually the pages I go over in this review video have some updates themselves, but still pretty good, pretty solid, hold up. So those are there for you guys too. I also posted these 4 links down here. So we got Flippin' Physics. This guy, well, I recommend all these, post all these. He's got 5, 10, 15-minute review videos and a bunch of other videos related to Physics 1. Real good videos put together there. Also, STEM Coach. This guy does a bunch of subjects, including Physics 1. One thing I like he does a lot is goes over past FRQs. So he'll pull up an FRQ from scratch, read it there, and then tell you exactly how to solve it. He'll walk you through it. I think he does a real good job. We got Khan Academy, which you're probably familiar with. But here you go, Khan Academy for Physics. If you wanted that perspective, that's there. And then there's AP Physics own a YouTube page, right? So there you go. If you like that, you guys know you have even more AP review AP videos on AP Classroom. They've been there this whole time, and you can still check those out. You also have those NIMSY resources. So there's a bunch of stuff to look at. I know I have a bunch of plans and projects lined up for my own spring break. You probably do too, and we all need a break too. But yeah, if you want more resources, there you go. Lots of them.